How to fix Tonkeeper Wallet not working. Hey everybody, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm gonna give you a quick tutorial on how you can fix it. So let's get started with it. First of all, launch your Tonkeeper app on your phone. Fixing the Tonkeeper Wallet ensures smooth transactions and manages your online assets. So let's fix this. So first of all, make sure that your app is updated. If not, you may just go to Play Store and update it. And even after updating the app, if it doesn't work, what you need to do is go to the settings of your phone. And under settings, go to apps. Here, search for the application Tonkeeper. Tap on it and go to storage. After going on storage, clear the cache. And you can see the cache has been cleared from your device, but make sure don't clear the data, because if you clear the data, everything will be gone, especially if you have not backed it up. So after that is done, just go back to your Tonkeeper application and refresh it and see if that is working or not. So if even after that your application is not working, what you can do is go to the settings of the application and here go to support and tap on start, and then ask about the issue that you're having in your Tonkeeper app, and it will give you solutions. So in that way you can fix your Tonkeeper wallet not working on your mobile device. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.